All right, so we have these Violent Bull smart light bars. Um, they come with the two bars here. They come with some mounting. There's like double-sided. Actually, no, is that double-sided? Yeah, it is some double-sided. Some screws, some tape, an Allen wrench. These little things here can be mounted either on the bottom, so you can send it up this way, or you can put it this way so that it just sits like that. And it comes with a remote. Does not come with batteries, of course, but you can download the Smart Life app and control it from your phone. Right now they're on like a pressure thing where it just makes noise to the sounds around it, but you can put it on different modes. Just a constant light. You can put it on just a random flowing light. I mean, there's a lot of different functions in there. I'm really trying to figure out how to make them work individually for what I want. I haven't figured that out yet, but I mean, these are pretty bright. They work really well so far. I mean, I don't have any issues with them. It's USB. It does not come with a plug for the wall, so you'll need a block to plug them into, or plug it into some kind of USB device. It's got a lot of different colors. I like the I guess voice sensitive or sound sensitive. I think it's pretty much more of a vibration, but there is like a mic in the remote over here. Sorry, in the little thing here, there's like a little mic. I'm assuming that's what it's for. But I mean, it's got every color spectrum. So pretty nice. If you're looking for something just to put behind your TV or just add like a mood lighting to a room, I mean, this is perfect. It does the job. I'm still looking for something that can work individually. So hopefully I can figure out how to do that. It does come with an instruction manual. Shows you how to mount it. Also shows you how to, I guess you can connect more of these as well. So it looks like this one does also come in a single device. So we'd have to find that one. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Once you download the app, there's a QR code in there that you can scan and it'll download the app for you. Once you connect the app, super easy setup. Nothing really to it. That's it though. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment and I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you. I forgot to mention, this also does work with your smart devices. So Alexa, SmartThings, you can set up automations for these to do different things or run at different times on your home network or whatever. I haven't used it yet, but it is in the options inside of the app. So check that out.